Now let's switch gears to Hyundai and their Ioniq 9 calligraphy. Hyundai's Ioniq line has been quietly redefining what mainstream EVs can do, and the Ioniq 9 is their boldest move yet. This three-row SUV is Hyundai's shot at the luxury segment, targeting families who want space, style, and cutting-edge tech. Built on the eGMP platform, it boasts 800-volt architecture for ultra-fast charging, 10% to 80% in under 25 minutes. Dual-motor all-wheel drive is expected, with around 400 horsepower and brisk acceleration, perfect for family road trips. The real story is inside. A spacious, lounge-like cabin with sustainable materials, swiveling captain's chairs, and a panoramic digital dashboard. Hyundai's latest software and user interface will be front and center, making the tech experience seamless. Features like vehicle-to-load turn the car into a mobile power source, run your gadgets, or even power essentials during an outage. The exterior? Bold, futuristic, and instantly recognizable, with signature pixel lighting and a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette. Hyundai isn't just chasing luxury, they're democratizing it, offering high-end features at a more accessible price. The Ioniq 9 calligraphy is for modern families who want it all: space, sustainability, and style. It's Hyundai's way of saying luxury doesn't have to come with a six-figure price tag. This SUV could bring premium electric mobility to a much wider audience. It's a compelling package, practical, stylish, and packed with tech. Hyundai is proving they can compete with the best, not just on value, but on innovation and design. The Ioniq 9 is a statement. The future of family SUVs is electric, and it's here now. Expect it to shake up the segment and force rivals to step up their game. Hyundai's confidence is clear. They're not just following trends, they're setting them. The Ioniq 9 calligraphy is a heavy hitter in its own right. It's about making luxury EVs accessible, practical, and desirable. This is the next evolution of the family car, and it's electric. Hyundai is ready to lead. The Ioniq 9 is coming. Watch this space. Now let's see what Cadillac has in store. Onward.